Hello students, welcome to online biology class. Today we are going to cover day 6 of chapter 2. Every day you will be attending online class and you will be completing your homework for that day. Make sure that you have your textbook and notebook all the times when you are attending the online class. For any queries, we will be having a synchronized session where you can interact and clarify your doubts for that day. So children, in the last class you were being given a home assignment to write about the mechanism of respiration and to write down about the differences between inhalation and exhalation. And so in the before class, previously we have been learned about the mechanism of respiration. We have learned about breathing as well as respiration. And we have seen there are 5 main events which play an important role in respiration. The first event is breathing, and the second event is gases exchange at lung level, and the third event is transport of gases, and the fourth event is gases exchange at tissue level, and then the fifth event is cellular respiration. So in the previous class, we have finished about breathing, the first event, and now in today's class, let us try to understand how gases exchange takes place at alveolar level, how gas is being transported by blood, and how gases exchange is going to take place at tissue level. Now these are the topics of which we are going to cover for today. Now let us, we have already seen that alveoli are the tiny sac-like structures, and I have made you very clear that there are nearly about 600 million alveoli in our body, and I have even told you that they are the structural and functional unit of lungs. We call alveoli as the structural unit of lungs since lungs are made up of alveoli, and we call alveoli as the functional unit of lungs since exchange of gases takes place at alveolar level. So, and I told you alveoli, because of alveoli, surface area of the lungs is being increased, and I told you when you open and when you spread the alveoli, it covers nearly about 160 square meters. And since the surface area is being increased, then the rate of gases exchange can also be increased because of this alveoli. So now finally, because of the process of inhalation and because of the process of this inhalation process, the air is entering into the alveoli. And I made you very clear, right? I hope in the last class I told you in the diseases like pneumonia, the global terror, corona, what is happening? This alveoli is being filled with the fluid. Since this alveoli is completely filled with the fluid, gases exchange cannot take place. Therefore, the persons are being kept in ventilators. Right? Now let us see how this gases exchange is going to take place in the alveoli. So these alveoli are being covered, they are being entangled with the blood capillaries. Alveoli are the sacs with only one cell thick, that's all. They are only with one cell thick, where easily diffusion can take place. What is diffusion? I hope you have studied in your 9th class with plasma membrane topic. The movement of molecules or substances from higher concentration to lower concentration is called as diffusion. Right? Now, the air it has entered here. I am calling it as air. I am not mentioning it as oxygen, or I am not mentioning it as carbon dioxide. Air has entered into the alveoli, and I told you these alveoli are only single cell thick. And so I told you this alveoli are being covered or surrounded with the blood capillaries. You can look after these are blood capillaries. Blood capillaries are nothing but a type of blood vessels. I hope you have listened about arteries, you have listened about veins. So similarly, blood capillaries are third type of blood vessels, which you will be learning in the later on sessions. Just remember, it is a type of blood vessel, and these blood vessels, they connect arteries and veins. Right? Now they are being surrounded with blood capillaries. Now, so this blood capillaries is bringing the blood. You can look after the RBC cells here. Right? Now the blood which is being brought to the alveoli is from heart, and the blood which is being brought is dark red in color. What is the color of the blood? It is dark red in color. So I hope you now let us come back to Lavoisier experiments. There we have seen the dark red color of blood. What did Lavoisier has been believed? The dark red color of blood is being converted to bright red color. Do you remember how it is being converted to bright red color? Because of combining with respirable gas. Right? Now the same thing is happening here. Now dark red color blood is being supplied into these blood capillaries from heart. Now, so the blood which is being brought here, it contains a large amount of carbon dioxide. Comparing to the carbon dioxide level, that now here air is being present. Now this air contains nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Now the levels of oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen in alveoli, oxygen percentage is 21%. Carbon dioxide percentage is 0.04% and nitrogen percentage is 79%. So now this is the percentages. Now whereas the carbon dioxide, now what is the percentage of carbon dioxide present here? That is 0.04%. Whereas the carbon dioxide present, which is present in this blood capillaries, its percentage is 4%. Therefore what we can say, percentage of carbon dioxide is more. Now what happens here? So carbon dioxide diffuses from blood capillaries into the alveoli. So like this, now that is movement of carbon dioxide from higher concentration to lower concentration region. Similarly, oxygen which is being present here, it is a high percentage. Now the oxygen percentage which is present in the blood capillaries, it is a low percentage. So therefore, oxygen diffuses into the blood. Now, so it turns, because of this, now the oxygen combines with the hemoglobin in the red blood cells and it turns into oxyhemoglobin, and the color is going to be changed to bright red color, and this is once again supplied to the heart, from where the oxygenated blood is being supplied to all the parts of the body. Right? Once again I repeat you children, right? So what is happening? The air is filling into the alveoli. Alveoli is of only 1 cell thick. They are being surrounded by blood capillary. The dark red blood which is being pumped from the heart, the carbon dioxide percentage is more in this blood capillary. Carbon dioxide diffuses from blood capillaries to the alveoli. Same way, oxygen is being diffused from alveoli to blood capillary. The blood turns bright red in color and it is being pumped back into the heart, from where heart pumps the oxygenated blood to all over the body. Then the third stage, what we are going to do is about transportation of gases by blood. Now oxygen has entered into the blood. Now how this oxygen is being carried? Now the blood contains a protein which is called as the pigmentized protein which is called as hemoglobin. This hemoglobin contains iron, just like we have studied about chlorophyll which is containing magnesium. So now this, because of this iron, it combines, hemoglobin combines with oxygen and it is going to be converted into oxyhemoglobin. It is being converted to oxyhemoglobin. However, this combination is a reverse combination. Now same way, whenever this oxyhemoglobin, what is being present, it can be broken down to form into hemoglobin and oxygen, making oxygen free. So So like this, as soon as the oxygen is entering into the blood, this oxygen is going to be combining with hemoglobin and it is going to be transferred into oxyhemoglobin, and this is a reversible reaction, and this oxyhemoglobin can be broken down into hemoglobin by liberating oxygen free. So like this, oxygen is being transported by blood. Then what about the carbon dioxide? Most of the carbon dioxide is being dissolved in blood plasma instead of transporting in the form of gases. So most of them it is being transported in the form of, it is being dissolved in the form of carbonic acid in blood plasma. Very few amount of carbon dioxide combines with hemoglobin in order to form carboxyhemoglobin, and the blood is thus called as deoxygenated blood we are going to call. Okay. So this is how transportation of gas is being taking place in case of human body. Then next, let us look about how this gases exchange is taking place in the tissue level. See how the gases are being exchanged at alveolar level. Opposite way this is going to take place. Now the blood capillaries which is surrounding the tissues are cells. So you can look after oxygen percentage is more in case of the blood capillaries. So oxygen diffuses from higher concentration to lower concentration. Now the oxygen actually which is being present in the tissues are inside the cells, that is being used up. So because of the metabolic activities what are being taking place, so the oxygen is being used, and percentage of oxygen what is being present in case of cells, so tissues, it will be 1/3 of the oxygen which is present in the alveoli. That means what, very little percentage or concentration of oxygen is going to be present here. So why very little? As soon as the oxygen is being available, this oxygen is being utilized by the cells, right? Or otherwise by the tissues for its metabolic activities. So like this, oxygen from higher concentration it is released into the lower concentration region, which is nothing but the tissue. So the same, I hope you remember, right? So Nobel Prize is being given in 2019 for the field of physiology and medicine. So for recognizing the oxygen binding proteins which are being present in the cells. Yes, right? So that means from 18th century, what we are trying to know about how the process of diffusion takes place or how the process of respiration takes place. Finally, the oxygen binding receptors were being known in 2019. Right? Clear? So now like this, oxygen is being diffused into the cells. Now, so as a result, this oxygen combines into the nutrients and carbon dioxide is being produced, and this carbon dioxide is being diffused back into what it is called as blood capillaries. Why? Because carbon dioxide concentration is more in the cells, whereas carbon dioxide concentration is very less in case of the blood capillaries. This is how this is being exchange of gases is going to take place at tissue level. So let us try to let us try to study a table where the percentage of gases is being given both in inhaled air and as well as exhaled air. You know that air is the mixture of gases and mostly it contains nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Nitrogen percentage in the air is 79%, which is being in inhaled air, as well as it is even in case of exhaled air also it is 79%. So that means what do you understand? So we are taking nitrogen, we are inhaling it and we are even exhaling it. We are not using any of the nitrogen. The reason because we don't have the capacity to use atmospheric nitrogen. I hope you have learned about root nodules and rhizobium. What is the role of rhizobium? Rhizobium fixes the atmospheric nitrogen. We don't have that capacity. If we have, there is no need of proteins in our diet. Am I right? So we are not using any of the nitrogen. The other thing we can look after in inhaled air, there is 21 percentage of oxygen is being present in inhaled air, and in case of exhaled air 16% of oxygen is being present. Now what is the difference you find? Almost nearly about 5% of oxygen difference you can find. That means, what do you understand? How much oxygen we are being taken? Complete 100% oxygen we are unable to utilize. Okay, little bit amount of oxygen is going to be utilized. Same way you can look after carbon dioxide. In case of inhaled air, it is 0.04% of carbon dioxide is being present in inhaled air, and 4% of carbon dioxide is present in case of exhaled air. That means what? The exhaled air contains large amount of carbon dioxide. From where this large amount of carbon dioxide comes? This comes because of utilization of oxygen as a result of metabolic activities within the cells. The carbon dioxide from the cells or tissues travel into the blood, and from the blood it is being given out into the alveoli, from where during the exhalation process carbon dioxide is being given out. So this is about the three events what we have been covered in today's class: gases exchange at alveolar level, transportation of gases, and gases exchange at tissue level. And children, for today's assignment, you need to write down about the gases exchange at tissue level, and this is about for your today's assignment. Thank you children. Have a nice day.